So we're going to talk about how to manage a process using some Unix commands and how to write a bash script using those commands. Okay, so process is basically a program that runs in memory. So we're going to look at some of the commands that could be used to control the process. So first of all, let's talk about we already looked at pipe. So if you have three commands, C1, C2, C3, you can use pipe, and then C1's output would be input to C2, C2's output would be input to C3. Okay. You can run three commands in sequence. So you can type three commands one after another, separate them by semicolon, and those would run in sequence. Okay, so sequence means they will run one after another. So C1 would complete and then C2 would start, and then C2 would complete and then C3 would start. Okay, another option is to run commands in parallel. So if you type a command and then ampersand after that, next command ampersand, next command ampersand, so those three commands would run in parallel. Okay, so they would be running at the same time, and who knows which one would finish first. Okay, so this is pipe. Okay, this is three commands run in sequence. So C1 is going to finish first, and then C2 would start, C2 would finish, and then C3 would start. Okay, and this is a parallel execution. So we use ampersand. So C1, C2, and C3 would all run in parallel. Okay. All right. So I'm going to show a script. So the script is called looper. So looper script. Alright, so how do you run this script is just pass a parameter. So 100 is a parameter. Okay, so 100, so $1 is the first parameter that you pass to a script. Okay, so this is the script. Alright, so what the script is doing here is, there is a loop, for loop here. Alright, so this is the for loop, this is inside the for loop. So it's going to run like 100 times. Alright, because I pass 100 as the parameter. Okay, and it's initializing, incrementing some variable j. That's what it is doing in the loop, and then once it is done with the for loop, it prints echo done, and it prints the value of the first parameter that I passed to the loop. So that's why you see here done, 100, and loop. Okay, it's being printed. All right, so that's the looper script. I have another script called wait test. That is calling the looper script. Okay, so as you can see, sh looper, and then a large number is passed as the first parameter, and then ampersand. Okay, and then another looper script, and then third one. Okay, so there'll be three processes would be created for these three calls to the looper script, and using ampersand, so that means these three would run in parallel. Okay, and then ps command is called, ps shows which processes are running. Okay, so ps shows the current processes that are running, and then wait command is used. So wait is going to make sure like all the three processes are done with the execution. Okay, so it's going to hold up till all three are finished, and then the next line will execute. So So once all three are done, then you will see this being printed, and then again you will see PS. Okay, so first time you see PS, you will see three processes being created, and second time you see PS, you will not see these three processes. Okay, so I'm going to call the wait test. All right. So you do see three scripts that are running here. So running in parallel, PS, and then it was waiting. Okay, so it waited for all three to finish, and then you see this line being printed. Okay, so done waiting. So wait is basically used to synchronize the processes. Okay, so it stayed on this wait call until these three processes were done. All right, and then you saw this done waiting being printed here, and then again PS is called. So when you call PS again, um, you don't see these looper scripts because they executed and they were done. Okay, so these are the process IDs that are assigned by the operating system. So these 68269, that's the process ID for the first iteration of the looper script. Okay, all right. So this is a parallel execution of three processes. All right. So ampersand can also be used to send a process or job in the background. So whenever you are running some process, you can type, after any Unix command, you can type ampersand, and it will send the command in the background. Okay. All right. So for example, so it's running in the background. All right. So these are some of the useful commands that could be used for process control. So PS is going to show you the process that are running. Jobs will show you the jobs that are running. Okay. All right, process and jobs. A job might be using one or more processes, especially if you're printing something. You'll see jobs. Okay. Then top will show you CPU usage, memory usage by different processes, and you will see system processes and user processes as well. Okay. And then you have sleep command that takes number as a parameter, so it will make your script wait for that many seconds. So sleep 10 would make that script wait for 10 seconds before it moves on. FG could be used to send a process to the foreground, so BG for background, or ampersand to send it to background. And with FG, you can bring it to the foreground. With kill, you can send a signal to the process, and you can also kill the process. Okay, it's a bad name, but kill not only kills a process, but it sends. Kill can also be used to send different signals to processes, and that one of the way processes communicate with each other. Okay, and with wait, process is going to wait. Okay, till all the other processes are done. So we saw how wait was used in this wait test script. Alright, so PS comes with different options. So you can use PS-A, which is most common, and you'll see processes running in the background. So this is the looper script and wait test. We saw the result. So you can type control Z. So when some process is running, you can type control Z and you can suspend the process. For example, this one here, you type control Z and it suspended the process. Okay. All right. Or with control C, you can kill the process. So suspend means like it putting the process to sleep. Okay, so it's not to kill the process. So these are some of the useful commands that could be used. So when it comes to kill, you can kill a particular process. So this is an example. So you can look up which processes are running using ps command, then find the process ID, for example this one here, and you want to kill that, kill -9, that's the signal, and then the process ID 31792, and it will kill this process. Okay, so there are different kind of signals that come with kill command. So -9 is used for terminating the process. Okay, sorry, -9 is used for killing the process, and 15 is used for terminating. So with 15, you're basically sending Control C signal. Okay. All right. So that's all. It's a simple topic, and you'll be using some of these commands in the bash script for automating some of the things.